In this episode, you are going to learn how to make Google Analytics add to cart event for Shopify website using Google Tag Manager.
Hi, this is Nasim from nasimreza.com. I am a top-rated freelancer on Upwork and I have more than 6 years of working experience. So if you need my assist, feel free to contact me. Details on this video description. Let's back to this topic.
So this is our Shopify demo website and you can see a couple of products are already here. Now we just want to set up add to cart event for Google Analytics and we are using Google Tag Manager for doing that. So why add to cart is important? Because you need to understand how many people are viewing your product and they are try to add to cart, but probably sometimes they are skip and they're not able to purchase on that time. So you can easily remarket on that and by using custom audience based on that add to cart event. So that's why add to cart is important. Now we need to set up the tag. So if you show our video carefully last few episode, you understand how to set up Google tag and how to set up a view item event. But if you don't, if you are a complete beginner and you are watching this first time, so that's why I am repeating a few things, which is this website is connected with this Google Tag Manager code. So actually we have inputted this code under the Shopify website backend. If you go on the Shopify backend, then you need to find the option which is edit code, then you can do that. And if you don't understand, please watch my previous video. I already show you how you can do it at. Okay, and our website is connected with Google Tag Manager and our analytics is connected through our website. Like our analytics is connected with Google Tag Manager on our website, because Google Tag Manager is connected website and we are implementing the analytics to our website. Okay, so that's why we have set up these two event. This is for base connection and this is the view item event. And now we are going to set up the add to cart event. Okay, so for this we just need to go on the preview mode and then we need to copy and paste the website URL. Of course you should input your website URL here and then hit the connect, and when it will loaded, you can see the tag assistant is connected and you can see it's also connected. So hit the button which is continue and you can see our website is connected now. And if I go to the product page, it's actually Google Analytics say it's a view item. So we have made our view item and it's also passing the data, which is great. And it's a view item and we are here. Now we need to go ahead. So that's why let's hit the button add to cart. And when we clicked on add to cart, go back here and you can see the add to cart event is here. So this event we are going to set up in this video. Okay, so if I expand the data layer from here, you can see the product, which product we have add to cart. So all the details is here. Also the data layer is here, is actually the same data layer we are seeing. Okay, so let's set up the event. So hit the new. So for sending the event, always we need to make the new tag. Okay, that's why hit the new and then select Google Analytics and then Google Analytics event. Okay, and we need to input our measurement ID. So where you will see your measurement ID, you need to simply go to analytics, then settings, and then data collections, data streams. And if you hit here, you can see this is the measurement ID. We need to copy it and we need to paste it here. So you can see the tag, Google tag found in this container. So that's mean Google tag already connected. And now we need to say input the event name. What is the event name? So event name is actually this, add to cart. Okay, so add to cart, and we need to send the parameter. Always we need to, like, for this event we need to send event parameter. Event parameter is important. So if you search on Google GA4 standard event, you actually will get a documentation that Google actually providing, and here you can see that to cut event is here. And if you read that documentation carefully, you can understand everything clearly. Okay, so you can see they recommended few events. So here is the couple of event parameter then required. So we just only send the required with star mark. So for example, you can see we are seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This first 5 parameter is enough. Okay, so let's do that. Just simply copy and paste. Okay, so currency, copy, value, copy and paste. It doesn't mean you have to do everything serially. You can break the serial, no problem. It doesn't matter. Okay, it's the item ID, so that's why you don't need to worry about that. And this item ID. Okay, so these 5 are ready. Now we need to send the value. If you watched my last episode carefully, you already understand how to input the value, but I am showing you the one value how you can make. So one value, actually we need to send a dynamic value. So that's why we need to make the dynamic data layer variable here, and we need to configure that. So how you will get the dynamic variable? So this is the event page that we did our add to cart, and I recommend you to use this data layer checker extension, which is Google Chrome extension. If you search on Google, you can easily get it. And if you expand the add to cart, you can see our code on the left side and the output on the right side. So always we should copy the left side code and make the data layer variable, and this data layer code will pull that data on Google Tag Manager, and that will send to our analytics. Okay, so for example, I just want to make first one, which is copy code, which is USD. It's a currency code. It actually always will be same. Just copy it and hit the plus and make new data layer variable. You can see this is data layer variable, and input here that code. Okay, just copy and paste, and then you can save, and you can give a name here, which is currency, and it's up to you. You can save any name, and I don't want to showing you all because it's pretty same. I already made it from my last video, so that's why I'm just selecting that event. So if you make, you will see here, which is the type data layer variable, and this kind of. So this is the product ID, and this is items, and this is item name. Okay, this is item name. Okay, so that's it. And we now we need to make that trigger. Trigger is very important because if you trigger wrong situation, then your event will send the wrong data. So that's why it's also important. So this is actually our custom event, and we just simply copy the exact event name that we want to send, and exact same time then when this event will fire. Okay, so that's why add to cart is here, and now just give a name add to cart. In the naming is up to you what style that you like. Okay, then save it, and now our tag and trigger is ready and we need to save it. Okay, so for example you can give the name like this format and then save it. Okay, so it's already done and the add to cart is ready, and now it's time to test. So go to preview mode and here go to report and then real time data. Just click on real time data. So you can see here is view item, it's our last view item, and if we open product and if we click on product page, it will fire again view item, and if I click now on add to cart, it will trigger the add to cart event. We will see it here. You can see the view item is now 2 times, and I believe the add to cart will come within short time. Just wait and see. And at this time we can check our tag. You can see the tag is fired on that situation when the add to cart is here and they are sending this product information. Let's go to analytics and you can see the add to cart is here. It's 1 time. So that's mean our event is working properly. So thank you.
That's all for today. If you found this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribing to this channel because it will help me to continue working on this channel. My name is Nasim and I will see you on the next video. Till then, bye. Have a good day.